When you first decided to bring a new German Shepherd puppy to your home, you must have thought how cute and awesome it would be to have a puppy with whom you can play and have fun all day long. As your cute German Shepherd puppy starts to grow, you feel the burden of responsibilities starts to increase on you as well. One of the primary difficulties that dog parents feel is while leash walking their dog. As German Shepherds are strong and bulky, they demand a lot of strength from the person who takes him out for a walk. They pull and bite the leash, which puts a lot of pressure on your shoulders. Your shoulders can even be out of its place if your dog pulls the leash consistently for years during walking. Therefore, to prevent injury to your shoulder and accidents to your dog, it is important for you to learn how you can train your German Shepherd dog to heel. Before I move on with the video, I want to ask you a simple question. Do you want to train your dog for any basic commands like sit and stay? Do you want to stop any of the behavioral problems of your dog like pooping inside the house, biting, jumping, or barking? If your answer is yes, please grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide, in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him or her. This secret training technique ebook is available for free only for a limited time. So go and grab it before it's too late. Link to the free ebook and training videos is in the description below. What you need to understand before training a German Shepherd to heel. It is important to make your GSD understand that you are the pack leader. You will need to assert control over your dog while walking. Understand that training can be challenging and will take time to achieve results, especially in the case of elder GSDs. Get your dog's favorite tasty treats to motivate him when he displays desired behavior. Puppies can show the desired behavior and start to walk properly in 2 to 3 weeks. Elder German Shepherds can take about 2 to 3 months depending upon your training schedule and discipline. Things needed for heeling training. To increase your control, consider using a body harness to minimize the pressure on your dog's neck. Crush your dog's favorite treats into bits and chunks. Get a shorter leash as compared to the one you use normally. Make sure it's not too tight. Positive attitude along with patience. 3 methods to train a German Shepherd dog to heel. Method 1. Stop and look method. 1. Gently tie your dog with the leash. Start to walk with your dog along normally. 2. As soon as your dog tries to walk ahead or pulls the leash, issue a heel command. Say it in a loud and affirmative voice. Make sure that you just give this instruction only once. 3. As soon as you give the command, stand still. Your dog will be busy smelling something, but soon enough he will look upon you to see what happened. Wait for him to come to you and stand by your side. The first time you do this, it will take time and you need to be patient. 4. As soon as he returns to the place where he should be, near you, reward him with the crushed treats. Also, shower your love by petting him around his head and neck along with some verbal love. 5. Repeat this process according to your own way as you start getting results. Method 2. Hold the treat in your hands method. 1. Tie your GSD to the short training leash and go out for a walk with him. Make sure you have a lot of treats in your pocket. 2. Just at the side where your dog is walking along with you, hold a treat just above and close to his head. This method works best with a smellier treat like chicken-based treats or cheese. 3. Walk with a treat in your hand above your dog's head for 8 to 10 feet. Make sure your dog walks properly along with you for those 8 to 10 feet. Choose the same side of the walk every day. 4. If he stays by your side within the desired distance for 8 to 10 feet, reward your dog with those tasty treats. If your cute GSD doesn't stay close enough, try 5 feet distance or use another tempting treat. 5. When your dog starts to walk properly close enough for 8 to 10 feet distance, gradually increase the distance to 15 and then 20 feet. You will feel that he will no longer pull the leash and stay close enough while walking. Cut the treats when your dog stays close enough and stops to pull for the whole time during walking. Method 3. Turn back method. 1. Secure your GSD with a body harness, as you will need to pull the leash with some force in this method. Tie the leash and head out for a walk outside. 2. Make your dog walk on one side. Watch closely and be very attentive. 3. As soon as your dog pulls the leash by walking aside or ahead, turn around and start walking in the opposite direction. Do not pay any attention to your dog and just pull the leash to show your dog who's the one in control of walking. 4. Repeat this process. Every time your German Shepherd dog pulls the leash, he will not get to go to the place where he wants to go and smell. In the beginning, it can be frustrating. You may need to move forward and backwards after every 10 to 15 seconds or even less. But soon your dog will be able to walk along with you without pulling for more and more distances. 5. Keep your cool in this method and pull gently each time your dog pulls or creeps ahead. Please do not harm or scare your dog. Be in control and do not get frustrated. 5 expert tips to train your German Shepherd to heel. Now that you know the 3 methods that will get you results if you want to heel train your GSD, here are 5 expert tips to keep in mind when you are training your dog to walk properly alongside. 1. You should pick one side of the walk. If your GSD keeps switching the sides, you will have difficulty maintaining the control and consistency of the walk that's necessary. 2. Your dog must have been taught basic commands like sit and stand before you start to heel train your GSD dog. 3. It's better to perform the training in your backyard or at a place where your dog doesn't get to watch any strangers or people walking by. 4. Training your dog to heel can be quite draining and sometimes even frustrating for you and your dog. Training should be done in the small blocks of 15 minutes to maintain the concentration level and quality of training. 5. Though this tip shall be followed for any training, it's better to have a release command to pass after the end of the training. It is done for your dog to get an idea that the training is over and he can go over and play and enjoy. This maintains clarity and strengthens the bond between the two of you. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, Little Paws Training, if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.